Welcome to Coal and Petroleum, Class 8 Science. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of fossil fuels and their importance in our daily lives. Let's begin by discovering what you will learn in this video. We'll cover natural resources, types of fossil fuels, their formation, uses, and how to conserve them. Natural resources are materials naturally available on Earth that support life. They are classified into two types based on their availability. Resources made by humans using natural resources like plastic, paper, and brass are called man-made resources. Natural resources can be inexhaustible or renewable, such as sun, wind, water, and soil, which are available in unlimited quantity. They can also be exhaustible or non-renewable, like coal, petroleum, and natural gas, which are present in limited quantity. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are called fossil fuels. They formed from the remains of plants and animals buried under the earth millions of years ago, transformed by heat and pressure deep inside the Earth's crust. All living things once got energy from the sun, so fossil fuels are solar energy stored over millions of years. They release large amounts of heat and light when burned, making them powerful fuels. Fossil fuels are used in thermal power plants to generate electricity, and coal is the most commonly used. Coal is a hard, black fossil fuel mainly made of carbon. It is used in power plants to generate electricity. Coal formation begins when dense forests are buried under soil. High pressure and temperature convert these plants into coal through a process called carbonisation, which took 300 to 400 million years to complete. Let's look at varieties of coal. Peat contains 30 to 40% carbon and is used as industrial fuel. Lignite contains 50 to 70% carbon and power stations. Bituminous coal has 60 to 80% carbon and is used for power and coke. Anthracite has 85 to 90% carbon and is used for space heating. Under extreme conditions, anthracite can even transform into graphite. When coal is heated to 1,000 degrees Celsius in the absence of air, it does not burn, but breaks down into four useful products. Coke is a grayish-black fuel, about 90% carbon, used as a reducing agent in iron and steel, and to make water gas and producer gas. Coal tar is a thick, black liquid that is the source of about 200 organic substances used in dyes, drugs, pesticides, paints, and road surfacing. Coal gas is a mixture of hydrogen, methane, and carbon monoxide used as industrial fuel near coal processing plants. Ammoniacal liquor is a concentrated ammonia solution used as a cleansing agent to remove grease, stains, and clean mirrors and windows. Petroleum is a fossil fuel formed from the remains of marine organisms buried under the seafloor millions of years ago. It is called black gold because of its enormous commercial value. Marine organisms are buried under sea sediments, and high heat and pressure form petroleum and natural gas. Petroleum rises and gets trapped in reservoir rocks, and oil wells are drilled to extract it. India's first oil well was drilled in Digboi, Assam in 1867. Indian reserves are also found in Gujarat, Rajasthan, and Mumbai High. Fractional distillation separates crude oil into petrol, diesel, kerosene, and other products. During refining, crude oil is heated to about 400 degrees Celsius. Vapors rise within a column, condense at different heights, and fractions are collected on trays. They are then chemically treated for use. Components with higher boiling points condense lower in the column, while those with lower boiling points rise higher before condensing. Some key fractions and their uses are LPG for cooking fuel, petrol for cars and aircraft, kerosene for lamps and rocket fuel, diesel for trucks, buses, and generators, lubricating oil for machine lubrication, and bitumen for road surfacing. Natural gas is colorless, odorless, and highly flammable. Its main constituent is methane. It is one of the cleanest fossil fuels and can be piped directly into homes as cooking gas. Compressed natural gas, or CNG, is natural gas compressed to under 1% of its volume. It produces significantly less air pollution than petrol. Petrochemicals are chemicals derived from petroleum or natural gas. Over 4,000 products are classified as petrochemicals, including detergents, synthetic fibers, plastics, fertilizers, and pesticides. Burning fossil fuels raises carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases, trapping heat in the atmosphere. This leads to global warming, melting ice caps, and rising sea levels. Sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides released by burning fuels combine with rainwater to form acids, causing acid rain. Acid rain damages buildings, monuments, plants, and harms aquatic life. Coal, petroleum, and natural gas are exhaustible. Once used up, they cannot be replenished for millions of years. Every action counts. Here are key ways to reduce our dependence on fossil fuels and protect our planet. Use public transport, as buses and trains carry many people at once, reducing fuel use per person. Switch off appliances such as lights, fans, and devices when not in use to save electricity. Use renewable energy, like solar and wind, as alternatives to fossil fuels. Reduce, reuse, and recycle, since manufacturing from recycled materials uses far less energy. Maintain vehicles, so they burn fuel more efficiently and reduce waste and emissions. Remember, fossil fuels are non-renewable and limited. Use them wisely. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Review the material again to strengthen your understanding. Keep learning and caring for our planet.